Creativity in Africa.
We Go Innovate presents GH for STEM Juniors Challenge. Meet Clairynda-Anne as Samoa from Suhum M Experimental C JHS. Clairynda-Anne is a junior scientist from the Eastern Region of Ghana. Clairynda uses water, common salt, and a light bulb to make a saltwater electricity generator. What an innovative idea! Now let's see Clairynda in science action.
First, cut the first segment of the bottle. Cut it carefully to get a smooth level. Pour the water into the bottle. Add 3 spoonfuls salt into the water and stir. The common salt is also called sodium chloride, which is made up of sodium and chlorine ions. The water molecules pull the sodium and the chlorine ions apart so they move about freely in the water. They create electric current which causes the bulb to light up. Gently fix the bulb into the hole like this. With this, you can use it in our homes, our workplaces, anywhere where there is power outage, and it's easy and convenient to use everywhere. I'm Clairynda-Anne Asamoah. I'm a young scientist from Suhum M Experimental CJHS. For this Genius Challenge, kindly vote for our experiment, brine or saltwater electricity generator. Thank you.
Clairynda-Anne's experiment was amazing, wasn't it? Vote Clairynda-Anne as Samoa, Suhum M Experimental C JHS, Eastern Region of Ghana at www.wegoinnovate.org. You can vote as many times as you want. It's free. Can you imagine using salt water in this way? Amazing, isn't it? Try this experiment at home. Also, make a video or take pictures of your experiment. Ask your teacher or your parents to help you post the results of your experiment on social media. Tag We Go Innovate so that you can win some fabulous prizes. Don't forget to add your name and the name of your school to your entry and hashtag GH4STEM. Good luck with your experiment. You can be a junior scientist too.
Comment.
Subscribe.